Tonight's Fact or Fiction is brought to you by America's Finest Carpet.
And in tonight's Fact or Fiction, we are talking chocolate. A story that you might have seen in the last couple of days claims researchers found that chocolate may be a better cough suppressant than cough syrup. And this is true. Researchers in Yorkshire, England found 163 patients with a cough. Those patients were randomly prescribed either regular codeine or a chocolate-based medicine called Rococo. Well, 2 days later, the patients who took the chocolate-based medicine reported significant improvement compared to those who took the cough syrup. The study's authors recommend sucking on a piece of chocolate to help prevent cough symptoms, but they do say that hot chocolate won't work well because it doesn't come in contact with the throat long enough. Sounds like a good idea.